Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi, minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka review meeting jong ka sarkar jilla ka balasyong ka arpu henre utarik ubnay naitung arajar arpuway kala thao da ka regional committee ya ka ba an sakle da way ni ki menteri jong ka sarkar jilla khnang ban pentelun no shakman ya ka jingsedang ban lum ya ki jingtho jingtar bat ban yeslok ru bat ki nongsong snong ka jilla Meghalaya ki ba syong basa ha ki snong khapod kani ka regional committee kan salaj ban yakendo ro ye ki nongsong snong ki basa ha ki than khapod jong ka West Khasi Hills ka Riboy district bat kumjo ro ha east bat ha West Jentia Hills district ashwa bakan pha ya ka kaipod sha ka sarkar Menteri Rangba jong ka Jellau Konrad Sangma habayakran bat kilat pathai Khubor hadin balawai ka review meeting uda ong ru ba ka sarkar kan sathau ru da state level committee kaban sakhot yesalok ya ki autonomous district council ya ki hima bat kumju ru ya ki kinhon ba pher ki badan hapo ka jilla.
After I had met the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam last week to initiate the process of discussion on the border issue. We also discussed it in the Chief Minister's meet where the Honorable Home Minister of Government of India was there, and he also stressed on the need to find an amicable solution. So all these matters were briefed to all the members of the cabinet, and during that meeting we also suggested and discussed on how we should move forward in this overall situation, and it was decided that we will be forming 3 regional committees, and these regional committees will be mainly for one in West Khasi Hills, one for Riboy, and one for both East and West Jentia Hills. And the objective of these regional committees, which will be headed by one of the cabinet ministers, and other members like local MLAs or MDCs and other stakeholders will also be part of this committee. That the regional committee chairmen, whoever heads that regional committee will decide, and they will then, after the consultation with different stakeholders in those areas, they will also make field visits and they will submit reports every now and then on the different issues that are there in these areas and different facts. After visiting the locations, they will also be giving us reports directly from the ground level. So this is a decision that was taken today. At the same time, at a later stage, once this process starts, I will also start consulting with individual groups and stakeholders at my level. But we will ultimately form a state level committee also. And in the state level committee, we will then have a larger consultation with different stakeholders, be it political parties, be it different district councils or the headmen and the CMs and the other stakeholders like civil society, and all these will be there in the consultative committee, but that will be at a later stage. First we'll start off with